Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. I had to get this episode up because I'm going to tell you why the Type 65 will never be a daily driver. So yesterday I was at an autocross, beautiful day in the morning, and then around 12:30, 1 o'clock, it torrentially rained. About an hour. I mean, it rained hard. We were underneath an awning, and about every minute or two, we'd have to shove the water because it was starting to cave in the awning. It was raining that hard. But the car itself leaked like a dog. I ended up with, well, as you can see now, I've got a heater in here. I got a dehumidifier ordered. I ended up with probably a 1/4 inch of water completely on the floorboard. And it was coming from, let me show you. So between the window here, even though the seal is tight, it was just gushing through there. And then the window, which you're never gonna get those to seal, it was coming through there. So those were big issues, and water was literally, it was pouring in. So then it's all landing into here and running over the sides. So it was just, that's how much water was coming in. Then I also found out this back hatch, yeah, it seals good with the window. All the water runs around here, but then where does it go here? Well, it comes through the little slit, which is never going to be perfectly tight. It's almost like there needs to be a drain back into here to get out of there. Because if not, it's going to flow up and over and get into there. And so this whole area, as you can see, I got the carpet pulled up, trying to get everything dried out. I mean, yeah, granted, this was a nasty rain. It was gushing down for a good 45 minutes to an hour. Another issue, the defroster. I've got the defroster set up like Factory 5 said. As you can see here, you got your defroster vents there. And it just doesn't blow like a modern car. So there was so much water inside the car. You couldn't get the windshield defrosted. I'm trying to drive home, pouring down rain. I'm using a rag to wipe the damn condensation off the inside of the glass. It was not fun. The car did okay in the rain. I mean, the engine stayed nice and dry. So that's, give that one to it. But as far as everyday driver in nasty weather, no. So now as you can see, the seats are out. The back, it's in here, dehumidifier, heater, trying all I can do to get that carpet dried out. So is the Factory 5 Type 65 an everyday driver, no matter what weather? No, not even close. By the way, the tires, those 200 treadwear BF Goodrich Rivals, nice sticky autocross tire, they got a little sketchy too, and the water started really getting nasty. Whole underside of the car is covered with mud because the water was coming up over the sides of the road. It was nuts. But I wanted to throw this up real quick, so I'll try to get this up later today. But the everyday driver, no way. So thanks again for watching, and more coming at you.